Well, since you're making origami and you kind of feel Japanese a little bit, I'm going to show you how to make a origami samurai hat so you can run around the house and just act like a fool. My name is Robert Segundun. What we're going to do is we're going to start with a square piece of paper like we have here. What we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and go into the sheet base or shawl base, however you like to think of it as. There you go. Now we're going to take our points here. We're going to fold them up to the corner right there, like so. Now we're just going to take and fold them back up here, like so. There we go. Now what we're going to do is we're going to kind of take these and fold these out like a 90 degree towards the, from the bottom here, like so. There you go. As you can see, we're coming along with it right now. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take one of these triangle folds, and we're going to bring it, and we're going to fold it part of the way up, something like that. And then we're just going to kind of take, and we're going to just kind of fold it, this part, the rest of the way up, like so. Flip this over. I'll fold this all the way up, like so. There it goes. It opens up. If my head was just a little bit smaller, like, say, the size of a kitten's, I could probably wear this. So there you have it. There's your samurai's hat. Play around with it, have fun, and enjoy.